This is the reality that love exists. If you don't have, go and look for.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
My neighbors look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
I spent the wrong Saturn. I can't break this pattern. The flow didn't go away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better said. If karma's really real, how am I still here? It just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.
Alright, I'm almost done the work, so I didn't show my face and bring you guys what we're doing today. Okay, let me make this quick. Okay guys, today I'm going to, don't mind my face is always, I wonder how people, okay now I'm diverting. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while and I think now I'm just going to not lie and just stick to the one video per month. I don't know, because I'm trying to like put up 2 videos per month, but I don't know. But today I'm excuse me. Today I'm going to the forest. It's called Karura Forest with my fellow colleagues. So we have like a family get together thing. So it's supposed to be in the forest. It's like a picnic kind of thing. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And later during the day, I have a dinner that I'm supposed to attend. One of my friends is doing a birthday dinner kind of thingy, so I need to go. So that's just what we're doing today. I am going to take you guys around with me. So stay tuned, and I'll go and look nice now because I'm about to go. I'm kind of late though, but I need to eat. I haven't eaten anything, and I know this might be the only food I will eat today. So I'll see you guys when I get to the forest. And bye. Thank you for subscribing and for coming back again. See you guys later. Bro, for real, this is actually nice. I think I should eat more runny eggs. It's actually very, very nice for real, guys.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You tugging more and with my heart. Just give me everything so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Can we know you can tell me how can fuck me up, don't let me down.
The waterfall looks closer than the lake.
Yeah.
The waterfall is shorter than, the distance is shorter than the lake.
Yeah.
So why don't you
Then 19, then become busy.
because of that map.
What the lily lake running?
The Lily Lake.
The shorter.
The Lily Lake is 100 meters.
Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hands?
welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, we are going to the cave and the waterfall. Yeah, so I'm going to update you guys, and you might not see more of my face. My camera is, oh my goodness. Hi. Everybody say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi to Josephine's YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share for more content.
Please subscribe. Please don't push me because my phone is
You can see the other people on that end.
Why are you pointing to the river?
I'm not just
places that people write their name. Now my phone should not fall.
People writing their names and their loved ones, and I'm here.
Oh my God.
Go and write your mother's name. At least you love your mom.
Who can I write here?
My dad loves me. Don't worry. I'm loved at home. Bro, this is the reality that love exists. If you don't have, go and look for.
What?
Cave one. Oh, like it's so muddy. It has been raining. Nah, this is the real thing. I don't know, it's so nice, but my camera is not doing justice to it. Where's my camera blow, bro? This is the Mau Cave.
Let's go. Energy, don't finish. I have zero energy left. My goodness.
You're taking a picture or you're chatting? What are you chatting? You're chatting that
Behind the thick of the forest.
someone is climbing this thing.
Lily Lake, Limululod's
Last exit is famous.
This is raining. Wow. Bro.
Wow.
This is the
Wow.
Imagine the time we
My
came.
goodness, it's a bit run!
Flooded, like, damn. Points, I don't even care, like, come on. Like, this is how we are going back. Everybody's tired. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you later. I don't even have my shoes, but look at my leg. Oh, damn. Bye. Hi, guys. I'm going to make this fast. I'm going to the dinner now, and so exhausted. Oh, that's the what we gotta do. So I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, bye. I feel like that place would have been nice if it is bright.
Yeah, it's so deep.
mall is closed. Need the last one.
Yes, come on, sweetie.
Already go.